satellite and drone technologies are expanding the boundaries of possibility. They are changing the way we manage our resources, the way we make decisions, and the way we connect to one another. Yet with the power of these technologies comes complex challenges to operate at scale, deliver rapid insights, and produce actionable data that solves real-world problems. But now, from a global leader in space and aeronautics comes a bold new solution. Airbus Aerial is a comprehensive digital service bringing together the benefits of small drone technology, high-altitude unmanned aircraft, existing Airbus satellite infrastructure, and customized software to manage data capture and analysis, providing truly actionable data to customers. This new service utilizes every layer of the data capture infrastructure, delivering a holistic view of high-quality imagery and sensing solutions for a wide array of industry applications, providing deep insights through a customized software infrastructure that delivers analytical tools and rapid access to reliable information, empowering customers to make decisions and solve real-world problems. Imagine a future where the world is connected in times of need. A future where the next generation of logistics brings us closer together. A future where organizations have the insights they need to make decisions faster, reduce costs, and improve the lives of their customers. This is the future of digital services. This is Airbus Aerial.